Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made an assault on Khaybar, or he said, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded towards Khaybar, the people reaching a valley started pronouncing this aloud: Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. Allah is the greatest. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, show clemency to yourselves as you are not calling someone deaf or absent. Undoubtedly, you are calling the one who is all hearer, ever nearer to you, and is with you. Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu says, I was behind the mount of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he heard me saying, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is neither might nor power but with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. On that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, O Abdullah bin Qais, I submitted, here I am. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, shouldn't I tell you a sentence which is one of the treasures of paradise? I submitted, tell me. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that is La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4205.